Hey guys, just a quick demo video to show you what you get with the Sell Digital Products with Etsy video course here on our website. Once you make the purchase, you will get a download file that looks just like this. So it's just a PDF document. You're just going to click the download button and that will basically take you to the download folder here. So if you look here, you'll see that there's a license file and you have two folders here. All right, so they're basically part of the same course. This is just some bonus material. And you'll notice that both of the courses are split into audio and video. So just if you're looking to extract, audio files, you don't have to do any of that work. It's already been done for you. Let's take a look at some of the video courses. So you'll see there's just about under an hour of video courses here. We'll show you an example of some of these videos.
Back. You should now be set up in terms of your profile as well as your information.
All right, we'll take a look at another.
Welcome back. Now in the next section, what you can do is you can add what Etsy calls groups to your listing. And this will mean that people, for example, you can write in any ingredients or component. What you need to do is to write instructions to your.
All right, so you'll see there are step-by-step instructions on how to get your Etsy shop going, how to add your products, and a lot of other things like that. The other folder here is basically bonus material. Same kind of courses, they're just a bit longer videos here you'll see. So here's an example for email incentive creation.
Hello and welcome back to this second process. We're going to firmly against Etsy's policy list. We're going to give that list a name and then click.
All right, so there you go. So you can see basically with this video course that you're able to resell here, you will basically get the first videos which you saw. These are all the sections there. So as far as opening your account, seller fees, building the profit funnels, building your list, listing your items, production partners, the Etsy payment system, creating graphics. So there's a bit of Canva training in there to create your banner for your store, customizing your Etsy store, your shop and shipping policies, selling person, and then of course the digital products here. And then the second videos that you saw, the bonus videos here, digital product creation, email incentive creation, marketing your coupon code, content marketing, and video marketing. So that's basically it. If you're interested in this product, simply just go to our website, plrebookssupplier.com. Look up this product here, Sell Digital Products with Etsy. Search for that product on our page, and basically just click download when you're ready to download, and you will receive your product right away.